Meet Felix. Felix is a busy man and he needs to hire people that can be trusted to take over some of his simple tasks. Several times he's hired people who just couldn't get the job done. Well, Felix has just discovered the Rushline app, and he couldn't be happier. Rushline is a mobile app that connects people looking to get quick tasks done with trusted individuals willing to do them. Do you need a hand moving, cutting your grass? Do you need an after-school sitter? Rushline is for you. Or maybe you're a person looking to make a few extra bucks putting your talents and time to work for others. A carpenter willing to restore furniture, or a teenager looking to walk dogs for some extra cash. Connect with customers on Rushline. Rushline's user-friendly interface makes advertising and searching for jobs a breeze. Rushline shows available jobs, the description of the job, the time required to complete the job, the job's pay rate, and a host of other useful information. You can even rest easy seeing other users' profiles, sending them messages, and reading reviews of users hiring or applying for jobs. So why not make your time count? Download Rushline today and get the job done.